Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cyril. I'm from India and currently I'm a student here in Vaasa, Finland. So if you watched my last video, you saw that I tried changing my tires to winter tires because it already started snowing. So but I wasn't able to do that because there was some problem with the machines in the garage. So they asked me to go back today, and today after my classes are over I'll take the car back to them and hopefully I'll be able to get it swapped because there's a snowstorm outside and it has been snowing all night, so the conditions of the road have become worse. I'll just show you the outside of my apartment. So there's already snow outside my apartment. So you can see everything is covered in snow already, and you can see the cars are already covered in snow. That's how much it has snowed whole night, and it's still dark outside, but it's 7:30 right now. So yep, that's becoming normal for us now. I'm here for classes at Vamia. I just wanted to show you the weather outside. There's a snowstorm today, so the roads are completely covered in snow, and my car is over there somewhere. Hopefully my tires get done today because it'll only get worse from now. We have the same routine today. We'll cook and then we have off, so I will go at 2 o'clock to the garage and see if they can fix my tires. I just finished here at the gym. Now I will go to the mechanic and hopefully my car tires get changed today, because this is the state of Vaasa and it's not stopping. It hasn't stopped for even an hour, so I need to get the tires changed ASAP. That's my car. You can see the driver's side. Luckily it's clear, but I still have to clean this part before I start driving. We are going to the mechanic. Hopefully वहाँ पे अभी खाली हुआ तो he will change my tires to winter tires because this is the state of the road. So he's already working on one car, so once he's done with that car I'll take my car in and hopefully he'll be able to do it. Let's go inside because outside it's crazy. Once this car is done, then I'll bring my car in. For now, I'll just wait. I'll have to bring my car in. I was inside for about 20 minutes maybe, and it's already covered in snow. So I'll just have to take my car in from there. So let's see. You have to push the car and bring it in because it was sliding over there. Now we will change the tires. So during winters you have to use something like this to clean the windshield. and brush the snow off. This is another type of lift. Yep, that's how it works. The rims have to be removed, and then I can put these rubbers on those rims. That's the winter tire. Now this machine will do the balancing of the wheels. So this machine tells us how much weight we have to put, so this balances out the weight accordingly. You can see there's different weights, so wherever it needs to be balanced, the machine will tell you where to put the sticker. Like for example, it's now telling to put the sticker over there. Now it's good. These two tires are now ready. We'll put this back and get the other two tires, and then I'm done. Now even this one is done. It will just go for balancing and I'm good to go. Now it's done. Now this car will move and we'll take my car out. Whew. Now I'll go home, put my tires, put these old tires back in the storage and go home. So I reached my parking lot and you can see the snow has come inside fully, so I'll show you the state of the cars outside. That was my older parking spot and now I'm finally keeping it inside because this is the state outside. for now I'll just keep 2 tires in the storage because I have already entered from the other gate and my storage is over there. So I'll just take these 2 tires now, and the other 2 I'll just take it later. तो यहाँ पे फिनलैंड में आपको टायर्स चेंज करना विंटर में मैंडेटरी होता है. तो even if you can manage to drive somehow, it will be illegal. So from November it is mandatory to change your winter tires, and the same goes in winter, because if you drive with the winter tires during summer it will damage the roads. So that time you have to change it back to your summer tires. So here, like for example Litz, if they have 2 prices. One is if your tires already have the rims on it, it's usually cheaper, and in my case, for example, my rims weren't there with the rubber, so they had to take off the old rubber and then put the new ones on it. So it was more expensive for me, but like I said, it's mandatory. So like just the drive back home I could tell the difference. So it is mandatory, it's not an optional thing. So if you want to drive during the winters, you have to put on your winter tires. And finally my one is done, and hopefully I'll be able to drive safely now. Let's go. So I will be adding the link and the details of the location of Litz in the description. In case you're looking for a garage here in Vaasa, you can go there and ask for Ray. He will help you out. So now I will go back out and I'll go up to my apartment.